What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Finally, it's been over a month. And so in this video, we're going to be talking about the 3mm Franco chain. All right, guys, so let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. Also, apparently the like buttons help the algorithm with the YouTube channel, so that would be awesome if you can click that subscribe button. It would really help me out. And so guys, I am so happy to be back here with you guys. It's been over a month. I haven't made a video. I've been so busy with Luke. He's been growing up so fast. Here's a picture of him. This is where he just reached his 6 months. He's a little bit older now. His first words were mama. Guys, let's get started. Let's talk about the 3mm. All right, guys, so let's get started with what I'm wearing. I am wearing a 22-inch Franco chain, and again, 3mm. Okay, so this is how it looks around the neck on me. And so guys, this is one of the most requested chains that I have been emailed about, DM'd about. So I finally got them. I've had them on the website for almost a month now, and they've been selling like crazy. I know on the website, it's just the white background with the chain on it. It doesn't give much detail. So that's why I wanted to make this video for you guys, and just for information so you guys can take a closer look. All right, guys, so this is it. This is the Franco chains. This is a close-up on the Franco chains, the 3mm. So take a look at those arrows, that design that is very popular. It's one of the reasons that a lot of people like this design. One of the main things that I want to point out about the 3mm is the way the chains are interlocked. As you can see here on the side, they are interlocked very tightly. So in my opinion, it's a good sturdy chain. It's not gonna break on you. Another thing is the way that it's designed. It is a square design. As you can see, it's flat, straight. You turn it around and you see another flat. So it's all square design when it comes to the Francos. Let's take a look at the clasp here. It is very nice and sturdy. It's also stamped, as you can see, Italy there, 925, high quality, solid sterling silver. None of the chains are plated, meaning you won't have any flakes in the future while wearing it. Okay, so the way it's welded there on the end of it, it's very sturdy. As you can see, it's welded really well, high quality. All right, guys, so moving on, I want to show you guys how it looks like with the 22, the 24, the 26, and the 28. Not a lot of people like the 28, but I was thinking about you guys, those few that like them, and I went ahead and grabbed the 28. Okay, so again, I'm gonna sound like a broken record here when it comes to me saying this, but just because the 22, the 24, the 26, and the 28 fit me like this does not mean that's how it's gonna fit on you. Okay, this is just an overview. It might fit on you exactly the way it fits on me, but some people are a little bit taller, shorter, have more muscles, regardless, or whatever it may be, the sizes, everyone's different. Take a look there, and let's move on to the next side. All right, guys, so that's it for the 3mm Franco chain review from the LukeZionJewelry.com website. Okay, so if you do have any questions regarding this chain or any other chain, send me an email, send me a DM. I'll respond to you. If you're looking for your first chain, you're looking for your second chain, or you want to stack a chain, send me an email. I'm here to help. I'm here to serve. And guys, if you haven't already, make sure you click that like button. It helps me out. Click that subscribe button so you're up to date on the next video that I'm going to be making, and I'll see you in the next one.